Tired of endlessly scrolling through Zillow without finding the right agent? Today, I'll show you how to pinpoint their email and phone number in seconds. First, head to Zillow.com and enter the location where you're looking to buy or sell property in the search bar. Let's say we're searching for homes in Los Angeles, California. Now, browse through the listings until you find a property that catches your eye. Click on the listing to view its details. Once you're on the property page, scroll down to the listing provided by or contact agent section. This is where you'll find the agent associated with the property. Here, you'll see the agent's name and the brokerage they work for. Look for a call button next to their name. Click this to directly call the agent if a phone number is listed. If you're looking for their email, see if there's an email or contact button. Some agents directly display their email address, while others use a contact form. Click the button to send them a message. For even more information, click on the agent's name to visit their Zillow profile. Often, you can find their direct email address or phone number in the About section or under their contact information. Alternatively, use Zillow's Agent Finder tool. You can filter agents by specialty, ratings, and recent sales to find the perfect match, and their contact information is usually readily available on their profile. And that's it. Finding an agent's contact information on Zillow is easier than you think. Now you can reach out directly and start your real estate journey. Happy house hunting.